How to share screen on a WhatsApp video call. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share screen on a WhatsApp video call. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Next, what you need to do is start a video call to your desired contact. Once your call is connected, you just need to tap on the screen sharing icon given right next to flip camera. After that, go ahead and use your mobile screen. It will be shared with the other person. By doing so, you can share different projects and your work with friends. Also, check out our video on how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp without texting them. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.